In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pabbly. Connect to Gmail. Send automated emails. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that sends an email from Gmail whenever your chosen trigger happens, like a new row in a spreadsheet or a form submission. First, log into Pabbly Connect. On your dashboard, click Create Workflow. Give it a clear name, such as Automated Gmail Emails, and click Create. This creates a blank workflow with a trigger at the top and actions you can stack below it. Now choose what will start the automation. The trigger is the event that tells Pabbly to run. This can be a new row added to Google Sheets, a form submission from tools like Google Forms or Typeform, a webhook coming from another app, or a CRM event such as a new lead or new customer. Select your trigger app, pick the specific trigger event, and connect that app if prompted. It helps to have at least one recent example entry, like a test form submission, so Pabbly can fetch sample data. That sample will provide fields you can use later, such as a recipient's email address or first name. Once your trigger is set up and you see sample data, add the Gmail action. Click the plus button under the trigger, search for Gmail, and select it as the action app. For the action event, choose Send Email or Send Email v2 if you see it. This tells Pabbly that Gmail will handle the outgoing message. Next, connect your Gmail account to Pabbly. Click Connect or Add New Connection. A Google sign-in window will appear. Sign in to the Gmail account you want to send from and grant the requested permissions so Pabbly can send emails on your behalf. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily to complete the connection. Now configure the email details. Map the recipient email to the appropriate field from your trigger data, like the email column from your spreadsheet or form. Add an optional sender name to show who the message is from. Write a clear subject line, and feel free to insert dynamic values, such as a contact's name, using the fields Pabbly exposes. In the email body, compose your message and personalize it with dynamic placeholders like first names or order IDs. Keep it concise and professional, and double-check that every mapped field actually exists in your trigger sample. When everything looks good, click Save and Send Test Request. Pabbly will send a test email using your configuration. Confirm it arrives as expected, then you're ready to use this workflow in your process.